Today we're working on Dixon SpeedZRT. This is a 46-inch. This was made by Husqvarna, but went by the name Dixon. I think they were discontinued. But anyway, what happened is the spring, drive spring, kept on breaking on this. And after some research, I found out that that's sometimes caused by vibrations, because you might need to clean things out and also replace the drive belt. So we're going to be replacing the drive belt as well as the spring. Spring normally would connect right to here, and then there's this thing that's kind of swivels around underneath right here. See this right here? Swivels around this whole thing. The spring connects that to this right here. But I could put a new spring, but I'm going to change the belt first. I want to start from the top here. There's this screw right here that you can take out supposedly with your hands. All right, there it goes. So I'm going to start here so we can get a look from the top, get a little access from up here. And this thing slips up like this. Comes right down like this. You can see, look at all this grass here. Access, and I'm going to try to see exactly how the belt is so we can put it back on. And there's a diagram right there. Pretty simple, but clutch pulley, if we go to the back, you actually can see it right here going around the clutch pulley. Okay, now, you could take these little side things off, but because the spring broke, there's no spring, I almost can just, it's already really loose, and I don't think I need to adjust this, but if you need to, you can adjust this with a wrench, this pulley right here, and it should help loosen. But my spring came off, so for me, broken spring might help make this a little easier. And because this is really straightforward, like it goes around here, over this one, down to the back, where the clutch pulley is, and then comes back through here and around this one. Like, you can't screw this up, right? So I can just take this, it comes right off. And from this side, just kind of yank it out from the top there. There you go. Just checking the back, it already came on loose from there. So that's it. There you go. Before I put the new belts on, I'm going to clean out as much of this as I can. There's the new belt. I got the old belt. So I cleaned out some of all the grass that was in here. It's not perfect, but the pulleys seem pretty good. Seem to roll pretty smooth. So I hope just by putting on this new belt and the new spring, we're going to be okay. So again, grab the new belt. I'm just going to kind of pull it in, try to grab it from underneath, and throw it on that back clutch pulley. It comes in like this. The thicker parts face outward, the thinner part inward. Okay, so go like this. Oops. Okay, so I pushed it through here. As you can see, here it is. Now I'm just going to put it around here. Now look at that. That's good. I got to make sure it's not twisting or anything and it goes smooth all the way through, but that looks very nice. You can come over here. See, it continues. Seems pretty good. Okay, coming out of there. Something else to squeeze it through here. Okay. I'm gonna slip it around there. Try to kind of double check everything, but I think it's okay. Slip it over there. That's it. Then we can put the spring on. That's it. And here's the spring that broke earlier. I don't need to remove. I haven't need any tools. But we may need one for this because this is really hard. I've had to do this before, and to do it by hand, pull this, it's not easy. But I'll just kind of show you how it would go. As you go in here, like I said, there's this little thing. See that? Wraps around here. So I pulled it here with the vice grip. I pulled it, put it in there. I'll undo this now. If I can. Okay. So you can see it going straight all the way through. So the belt's on according to this diagram right here. Spring is on. Throw this baby back on. That looks pretty easy. Now let's see if everything mows okay. Oh crap.